Hi, today's in this video tutorial we're going to check the options of the control panel. In this case we can go there, checking in the Windows, and we're going to find the control panel here, or also we can use the search and put control panel. When we open, we are going to check that there is some options, and each one of them has one function. In this case, we are going to start with system and security. There are so many options according that we need. In this case, security, copy, points to restore the disk, the software, the battery, the update. In this case, we're going to start here with firewall of Windows. We're going to check the state of firewall. In this case, it is activated, and the function is to block all the connection of programs that are not in the list of allowed programs. We go back. We can check here the Windows features again. We go back, and here we can activate or deactivate the Windows update if we want. We can change the energy options. In this case, because it is a laptop, we can change what to do when we connect the charger, when we are using the battery, change in this case the bright of the screen, and customize something that we need. Let's go back. Also, we can do a restoration point. In this case, when we are going to do a strong modification, we can establish one point, and if in case this one goes wrong, we can return the equip to this point. And one of the most important is this one, defragment the disk. And this one, it is very useful to accommodate all the data that we have in the hard disk. We can program this one, or we can start the defragmentation right now. I'm going to stop and close. And this is the first one, the system and security.